Welcome to another video. Yeah, so in this video it's just gonna be it's a little bike maintenance, so nothing too crazy, but I'll be showing you guys how you can adjust your chain on most bikes. It's the same procedure. I'll just be first, before we do the adjusting, we're gonna wash the bike. After washing it, we're gonna also clean the chain. That's something else that I want to do. Then we do the adjusting. After that, we're gonna lube the chain. So most bikes, from what I know, you need a 13 and a 10. 13 for this one, the lock nut, you have to loosen this one, and then we need a 10mm spanner for this. And once you undo this one, it pushes the axle back, and that will in turn tension the chain at the back. So it's not a very complicated process. Another thing I will say you will need is an axle thingy. What is it called?
While I'm waiting for your fucking
you'll need an axle socket. This is a 34. If you're doing an S1000, I'm not sure about the newer models or 14 going backwards, but I'm assuming from 2015 to 2019 it should be a 34. So you need a 34 socket, you need two spanners, a 13 and a 10, and most bikes tend to have these, which is like the, I guess, specifications of how tension the chain should be. My chain is not so bad, to be honest, but man, maybe it is bad, I don't know, but it looks like it has some sag down here, so I'm gonna try take that out. And yeah, and if you check, my chain is kind of mucky, it's a bit grimy. Last I washed it was a couple of months ago, because I've been back from,
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Let me tell you.
We don't care.
off at uni. So anyway, yeah, so we will be washing the bike. I'll show you guys what the process I go through when cleaning the chain, and hopefully this will help someone out there. And for those, because I haven't shown this bike yet, this is my dirt bike. It's a SXF 450. It's a KTM. This bike is insane. I love this bike. I don't ride it as much as I wish I did, man, but like, yeah. Thing is, ever since I started, I rode on the track, like just a bit of motocross. I'm not good, you know. I'm basically a beginner when it comes to the track, but like, I love this bike. Ever since I started riding on the track, I lost interest in riding on the road. I used to look at people that say that, like, bro, you're not serious. That's absolute BS. But then, you know, I rode the track a couple of times, and, you know, I enjoyed it. It was pretty hectic because it was my first time. I've been riding for more than 10 years, but I had never been to a track, and took it to the track, enjoyed it, and yeah, ever since then I barely ride like around. I used to ride a lot around the neighborhood, but now I just like riding the track, you know. The whole process just to get to the track, I enjoy everything, like packing the bike, packing everything you need, and hopping on the car and then just driving to the track and riding for a bit, and then packing again and coming back, getting lunch, or not dinner, but like getting some food afterwards. You know, the whole thing is pretty nice. I like that. But yeah, it's a 2016 model, and It's a beast. This bike is pretty insane. Just need some work right now. I need to order an oil filter. I need to clean the air filter, change the oil. I'm gonna make a video about that. And oh, I got some bolts as well, because these just started falling out of for no reason. I guess the vibration, but I don't know why. It randomly just happened. But yeah, that's my bike right here. It's a 450. And we've got my brother's dirt bikes here. This is 85. It's a 2-stroke. I like this bike. This is a CRF 150. This is a 4-stroke. If you watched the first video, I didn't show you, but like I spoke about these bikes. And yeah, these bikes are pretty cool. My first like proper dirt bike was 07 CRF 450. 150R. That bike was pretty insane. I would say a lot of adults would even struggle riding this bike because it's pretty crazy. It's a wild bike. This is 2012. I believe Honda hasn't really updated this bike in the past, ever since it came out in 2007. So I think let's start. I'm gonna wash the bike, put you guys on a time lapse, and then I'm gonna also, it looks like it's gonna rain. We've been getting a lot of storms. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna put you guys on a time lapse, and I'll be washing the bike, and when I clean the chain, I will give you guys an up close video, show you my process of washing the bike and whatever. Washing the chain. I'm still gonna make the video of how I clean the bike entirely. This is not that video. This is specifically for the chain. I hope you guys like the video, and like, share, and comment. If you want to see some more, I'm gonna make more maintenance videos. If you can see right here, I've got some oil. This bike is due for service. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I'll try film the process of doing that, changing the oil, because I want to do other things. I want to check, I don't know if I will do it. I want to check the spark plugs though. I want to check the air filter, because really this bike hasn't really been touched ever since I got it in terms of work. We just got it, and yeah, I've been riding for the past, I think I've put over 1,000 kilometers on it. Some people will laugh at me, but you know, because there's people that ride pretty often. But yeah, I'm proud of putting on my 1,000 kilometers. Anyway, let me get started, and I'll set you guys up and put you guys on a time lapse. I'll wash the bike, and I guess some of you will pick up on how I do the process of washing the bike, even from that previous video that I made. Yeah, this video is strictly just gonna be doing the chain and everything and washing the bike pretty much. And yeah, I don't know if I will put riding. I don't think I'll put any riding content in this one. Maybe the one after this. But yeah, that's pretty much the bike, and I hope you guys like the video. Subscribe if you haven't, and yeah, if you guys like the video. I think I've said that 5 times. Thank you for watching. I'm using I put kerosene in here. Don't mind the package or the bottle. Yeah, so it's kerosene or paraffin, depending on where you're from. And we're gonna spray the chain down, and then after that we're gonna let it soak for a bit and then start brushing. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Like, it's not too complicated for those that have never washed their chain before. And another thing I do is I spray down the sprocket just to clean it. I don't know if you guys see that. Look at that. It's already working. So we're gonna let it soak in and wait it for a bit, and yeah. You can see it dripping down. It looks dark. It's not actually as bad as I thought. Go in there like that, go in there. This is better for me because there's no space up there, you know. I mean, I could probably force this in there.
That's what she said.
But yeah, this is how you do it. We are done with the chain. Just rinse it down. I don't know if you guys see that. It wasn't pretty bad, but it was still dirty. So I recorded a video of a detailed explanation of how I adjusted the chain the next day because it got pretty dark. But I didn't want to make this video too long, so I didn't include it. I just put a time lapse. But if you guys want to see that, just let me know.